Welcome back to this channel. My name is Josh Jones. If this is the first time meeting, I teach about affiliate marketing, online business. I teach about how you can make a side income from your primary job. I teach you how to do what it is that you see other people do online with their business. How to generate leads, how to make sales from those leads, how to build an email list using content marketing, affiliate marketing, attraction marketing, email marketing. Yes, a lot of things marketing on this channel. So if that interests you, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you follow. You'll get notified anytime I put out a new video. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it at josh@jonesrandomknowledge.com. My website is jonesrandomknowledge.com. I'll leave it in the bottom of the video, of course, for you to go and check it out for yourself. Now we're going to go ahead and get into this video content, but I just want to say thank you for your time ahead of time. Alright, welcome into my computer. So in this lesson I want to talk to you about the importance of the content, not the importance of how many views the content gave you. You'll see here as I teach and as I shared on my other videos about content creation and knowing what's a good metric and such. I want you to see that I am using what I teach. This is a program I designed that lets me know what my content strategy is and how it's working. So this is my TikTok account. I want you to see that I had a video that had over 171,000 views, so it went semi-viral. 7,424 people had liked it. There were 69 comments, 562 shares, so total views. The video length was only 9.1 seconds long. 100% watch time was being watched, that's why it's green, and 99% was on the FYP page for my TikTok account. And if you were to go there, you would see I am actually duetting with Ali the affiliate. So if you go up here, Ali the affiliate in a video. This is the video that went viral. It's very important that just because you have a video that goes viral, that your message is congruent with your brand. In that particular video, I literally did no effort, no investigation of what the topic was in the video. If you were to look at the video, you would see what I'm talking about. The information that was given, a lot of people liked because it was a quick answer to a problem that they had. However, it wasn't a very honest or legit, in my opinion, review. So I got a lot of negative comments out of the 69 comments there, and I had to respond and make videos and tell them I was sorry for being irresponsible and such stuff like that. And that brought me to this understanding that just because content is liked by a lot of people, or just because it's viewed by a lot of people, does not mean that it benefits your business. This is a lesson learned, and that's why I'm sharing this video with you. I want to share my faults, I want to share my errors, my mistakes, my failures, along with my wins on this journey. This right here was a lesson learned. Yes, the video went viral. Yes, I got leads from that video. I got a lot of followers in a short amount of time. My TikTok account was going crazy for a while there. Still does get more views as of this moment on this recording. But I just want you to see that it is not important on how many views you get. Yes, you want to get as many views as possible to get people to see and notice you, to be getting attention to your brand. But no, it's not important if your leads are not quality leads, or the information you're giving to your people is not benefiting them. So hopefully this video was helpful. I wanted you to see the actual numbers. All the green there on the right are the videos that were successful. I have been documenting each one that has gotten views. Now I want you to see that it literally is 12 seconds or less that the average watch time is on these videos that are doing pretty good. That lets me know that as a content creator, I have to keep people's attention quicker and get the message to them quicker. And so that's my strategy going forward. I'm going to see how that goes, and of course I'll update as I do that. Alright, one more thing.
If you would, please refer a friend. Tell them to go to Google and type in Jones Random Knowledge, just as you see. Thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.